What we co-design is a digital solution transformation solution for complex problems with simple prototypes and holistic journey. The topics of the learning and practical application journey includes 10 days of participant learning about complex problem solving, design thinking, understanding different technologies, technology exploration about understanding the usage of these technologies like blockchain, XR, AR, VR, automation, machine learning, bots, 5G, 3D printing, data visualization, digital twins, AI, ML, data analytics, data-driven insights, IoT, cloud, and security. Next, understanding what is value creation, low-code, no-code tools, and financial impact of return of investment and break-even for digital projects, building a change plan, risk and mitigation, understanding social styles and interpersonal skills, storytelling, and presenting your business case back. Total 16 days are dedicated to application and solution of a given scenario. Application solution for a given scenario is where the participants first write the problem statement with SWOT, Porter's 5 forces, 5 why, and fishbone. Second, they explore solution with design thinking tools. Third, they prioritize solutions in different ways. Fourth, they design a prototype on paper of the solution that they have created. Fifth, they pick technology, do a basic costing with a return on investment and break even. Sixth, they write the value star. Seventh, they learn the relevant low-code, no-code tool. Eighth, they build a prototype of the same. Ninth, they write a broad change plan. 10th, they write the risk and mitigation plan. 11th, they do storytelling and business case creation and practice. 12, they do a coaching call. 13, they do a final presentation for all the stakeholders for the pitch for funding. And lastly, they close it with feedback surveys and citation. This journey has a flow of learning and application blended for every topic. At the end, what we co-create is the version 1 of the story covering first, unwrapping of the complex business problem with 5 application tools. Second, crafting an innovative solution using 25 design thinking tools. Third, covering the ways the solutions are prioritized. Fourth, why are we picking this technology over 12 new technologies? Fifth, doing the basic costing with the ROI and break-even. Sixth, writing the value star of the project. Seventh, building a simple paper prototype for a new intervention. Eighth, a basic digital prototype with low code and no code. Ninth, writing a high-level change plan. 10th, building a risk and mitigation plan. And 11th, presenting your business case back to your leaders. In this journey, you also unconsciously become competent to further improvise your digital transformation journey as you go along. Let's co-create your digital solution transformation for a complex problem with an agile approach in just 30 days over 10 weeks. Do write to our Genie to collaborate with your dream team. Creative Learnings Academy, let's co-create magic.